Hola, hola chicos y chicas, bienvenidos. Today we're going to learn how to give our opinions, in other words, say what we like and what we don't like, about singular food and drink items. We could, of course, use these phrases to give our opinions of any singular noun, but we're going to use food and drink to help us. So first of all, let's just have a quick recap of the singular food and drink words that we learned last time. Have a go at saying them after me. El pescado, el queso, el helado, el jamón, el yogur, la limonada, la pizza, la mermelada, la leche. So we're going to use these 9 nouns to help us to find out how to give our opinion. So, if you want to ask somebody what they like, you use the question ¿te gusta? ¿Te gusta? And if you want to say do you like it, you just say ¿te gusta? But if you want to ask them if they like a certain thing, then you would put the food or the drink after that. So for example, do you like fish? ¿Te gusta el pescado? Now, the main answer to that question, if we're asking ¿te gusta el pescado, for example, would be me gusta el pescado. Me gusta el pescado. Me gusta el pescado means I like fish. The only problem is that me doesn't actually mean I, and gusta doesn't actually mean like. Gusta means it pleases, and me means me. So if we're saying me gusta el pescado, we're actually saying fish pleases me. Of course, we've also got the el in there. So word for word in English, we're saying the fish pleases me. But that doesn't sound right in English. We would just say I like fish. Now, of course, there are some other opinions that you could say as well. Have a look at these ones. As well as me gusta, which is I like, we also have me encanta. Me encanta. Can you guess what that one means? That's right, it means I love. But can you see it works in the same way as me gusta? It means it enchants me. But in English we'd say I love. So me encanta, I love. Me gusta, I like. Then we have some negative ones. There's no me gusta, I don't like or it doesn't please me. And finally, at the bottom of the list, we have odio. Can you guess what that one is? Odio means I hate. And because odio ends with an o, that shows us that it is the I part of the verb, just like me llamo, for example, and tengo. So, if I was to ask you some questions about some of the foods, what would your answer be? If I asked you, ¿te gusta el jamón? What would your answer be? ¿Te gusta el jamón? My answer would be, me encanta el jamón. Another question. ¿Te gusta el helado? ¿Te gusta el helado? What would your answer be? Mine would be, me gusta el helado. And my last question, ¿te gusta la limonada? ¿Te gusta la limonada? What would your answer be? Mine would be, no me gusta la limonada. And yours? Well done. Hasta luego.